Looking for an easy way to get around the city? Best e-bikes for commuting combine speed, comfort, and efficiency, making your daily ride effortless. Discover top models that save time, reduce stress, and boost your mobility. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Furider e-bike for commuting. The Furider e-bike for commuting is a powerhouse designed for riders who demand performance, durability, and versatility. Featuring a 1200W peak motor, it delivers remarkable speed and power, reaching up to 28 miles per hour, making city commuting, weekend adventures, and uphill climbs effortless. Riders can rely on its smooth acceleration and strong torque, ensuring that every ride feels controlled and enjoyable, whether on asphalt, gravel, or off-road trails. This e-bike's 500 pounds load capacity is an outstanding feature, accommodating riders of all sizes while maintaining stability and performance. Its robust frame and fat 16-inch by 4.0-inch tires provide superior traction and shock absorption on varied terrains, including sand, dirt, snow, and uneven roads, making it ideal for both urban and rugged adventures. The 48V18R removable battery offers an impressive 35-mile range per charge, giving riders the freedom to commute or explore longer routes without worrying about running out of power. Charging is easy and convenient, thanks to the removable battery design, and the option to carry a spare battery ensures uninterrupted rides for extended journeys. In addition, the ergonomic design, comfortable seating, and sturdy build enhance rider comfort and safety, even during long trips. The Furider e-bike for commuting combines robust power, versatility, and practicality, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their daily commute or add adventure-ready capability to their rides. Its thoughtful design and high-performance components ensure that every ride is not just a commute, but an experience of control, comfort, and fun. Number 2. Movcan e-bike for commuting. The Movcan V80 e-bike for commuting is a premium choice for riders seeking a combination of speed, comfort, and advanced technology. Equipped with a powerful 1000W motor, 1500W peak, and 80 Nm torque, it can easily handle 30-degree steep inclines and rugged terrain, delivering a smooth and confident ride. Achieving a top speed of 28 miles per hour, this bike is perfect for commuters looking to reduce travel time while enjoying a stable, reliable ride. Its 48V13R removable battery, certified under UL 2849 and integrated with a BMS system, ensures safety, longevity, and impressive endurance, offering up to 70 miles per charge in PAS mode and 30 miles in pure electric mode. Riders can enjoy limitless exploration without worrying about battery life, making it ideal for both city streets and countryside trails. Full suspension combined with dual-disc brakes enhances shock absorption and braking efficiency, reducing bumps and improving stability, while the 26-inch puncture-resistant all-terrain tires offer excellent traction across snow, sand, gravel, and asphalt. The bike's 4 riding modes, pure electric, PAS, cruise, and manual, alongside the 7-speed gearing system, allow riders to tailor performance to any terrain or personal preference, tracked conveniently via the multi-function LCD display. The Movcan V80 is designed for comfort, control, and versatility, making it an excellent solution for daily commuters who value performance, reliability, and adaptability. Its thoughtful engineering ensures that even long rides or steep climbs are smooth and safe, blending power with convenience and safety for every adventure. Number 3. Cybervelo e-bike for commuting. The Cybervelo e-bike for commuting is a highly capable and long-range electric bike designed for both daily commuting and adventurous rides. Powered by a high-speed 1000W peak brushless motor with a 7-speed transmission, it achieves speeds up to 25 plus mph while providing reliable performance for uphill climbs and long distances. Riders can cover up to 80 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for long commutes or extended recreational rides without constant recharging. The combination of a powerful motor and durable design ensures efficiency, stability, and smooth control, offering a more enjoyable and safer ride than lower-powered 350W alternatives. Its adjustable front suspension, saddle shock absorption, and dual-disc brakes provide exceptional comfort and safety, effectively reducing impacts from rough roads, gravel, and uneven terrain. Equipped with puncture-resistant tires, this e-bike handles various terrains, from urban streets to sandy beaches or snowy paths, with ease. The Cybervelo's robust frame and ergonomic design accommodate riders of all sizes, while the dual braking system and EABS technology enhance rider confidence on steep slopes and challenging surfaces. Additionally, the bike's long-lasting battery, efficient motor, and multiple riding modes ensure versatility and convenience, allowing riders to switch between pure electric, pedal assist, or manual riding depending on their preference or route conditions. The Cybervelo e-bike for commuting combines power, comfort, and long-range capability, making it an outstanding choice for anyone seeking a dependable electric bike for daily travel or adventurous excursions. Its combination of high-speed performance, long battery life, and shock-absorbing design ensures that riders enjoy every journey, no matter the terrain. Number 4. URLIFE e-bike for commuting. The URLIFE e-bike for commuting is a versatile, compact, and efficient electric bike tailored for urban riders seeking convenience without sacrificing performance. Featuring a 500W peak motor, it delivers reliable speeds up to 20 miles per hour, making city commuting quick, effortless, and enjoyable. Its 48V375WH removable battery provides a maximum range of 40 miles per charge, allowing riders to confidently commute without worrying about running out of power. The battery's anti-theft design, fast 3 to 5 hour charging, and easy removability make charging simple at home or the office. With 3 versatile riding modes, full electric, pedal assist, and manual pedaling, riders can customize their experience for maximum comfort, energy savings, or a more active workout. Its foldable, space-saving design enhances portability and storage, especially in tight urban apartments or office spaces, making it ideal for city dwellers or frequent travelers. The URLIFE e-bike also features advanced multi-shock absorption, including front fork, center, and seat damping systems, providing a smooth, comfortable ride even on bumpy roads. Compact yet practical, this e-bike is perfect for daily commutes, short errands, or weekend rides. Number 5. koonkex e-bike for commuting. The koonkex e-bike for commuting is a high-performance electric bike engineered for riders seeking speed, long range, and rugged reliability. Its dual 52V motor system delivers 210 Nm of torque, providing sufficient power for maximum speeds of 19 miles per hour, even when carrying loads of up to 165 pounds. This makes it ideal for thrill seekers, urban commuters, and riders tackling challenging terrains. Paired with a 52V25R removable battery, the bike offers an impressive 90-plus miles on PAS mode and 32-plus miles in pure electric mode, with fast 8 to 10 hour charging, ensuring minimal downtime. The 26x4-inch fat tires enhance traction, balance, and stability on sand, snow, gravel, and rough trails, making it suitable for diverse terrains. Equipped with professional front and rear shock absorption, the bike ensures smooth rides and reduces the impact of uneven surfaces, enhancing rider comfort during long journeys. The dual hydraulic braking system provides precise, reliable stopping power in any condition, further enhancing safety. The 7-speed transmission and 5-level pedal assist system offer multiple riding options, allowing riders to customize their experience for commuting, leisure, or adventure. Its durable build, versatile design, and advanced features make the koonkex e-bike a reliable choice for riders who value performance, convenience, and adaptability. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.